Hi all and welcome to the video. In this video I will show you how to install SQLite 3 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS or 22.04 LTS versions. SQLite is a widely used open source, serverless and self-contained database system. So let's start on how to install SQLite 3 on Ubuntu. First open a terminal. Now update package list by running command sudo apt update. Enter sudo user password. Once the package list is updated, start installing SQLite by running command sudo apt install SQLite 3 and press enter. SQLite 3 installation is complete on Ubuntu operating system. Now you can verify the installation by typing command SQLite 3 space -- version. Now you can access SQLite engine by running command SQLite 3. Now we are in the SQLite shell and connected to the SQLite engine. If you run .help command without any space, you can see a list of available commands. So you have learned how to install SQLite database on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching.